guys, welcome to Montita Kitchen. Today I'm gonna cook dorado fish, deep fry with mango sauce. I'm gonna cook like Thai style. You know, if you don't have dorado fish, you can use fish like you like. Salmon fish or fillet fish or sea bass. Normally in Thailand we use sea bass fish. Okay, so let's cooking. Okay, after I hook off fish scales, I'm gonna show you how to cut the fish to easy for cooking. Okay, you make knife like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and turn the other side. Also do the same. Wash out your finger. It's like this. Okay, so after that I'm gonna add some salt. Another side the same, and then all right, some pepper. Okay, then I'm gonna put flour and then cook in hot oil. Let's have a look. Right, gonna put some flour. You know why I put flour? Because first when you fry fish, to not scratching. And also, the skin of fish will not take it out. It's more crispy and tasty. This is well done. Very nice color, golden color. Okay, after that I'm gonna show you how to cook mango salad to eat with this fish. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, this is ingredient I'm gonna cook mango salad. I have lime juice or lemon juice. This is syrup. This is chili and cashew nuts, fish sauce, and mango. I shoot mango like hard mango, not ripe mango. And this is shallot or red onion. Okay. Okay, for mango sauce, I make 2 spoons of lemon juice. This is 2 spoons of syrup, 2 spoons. And shallot or the red onion, I shoot a little bit. This is mango. You can add some how much you want. And fish sauce. Fish sauce also 2 spoons. Okay. So 2 spoons of lemon juice, 2 spoons of syrup, and then add some chili. If you love chili, you add more. So for me, I love chili. I add more. You can add how much you want. This is mango salad. Nice color. So ready. I can add all red onion. This is nice mango salad. A little bit spicy, but I love spicy. Okay, then we on top this mango salad in fish. Okay, then I'm gonna add some sauce on top, mango salad on top. Wow, looks very nice. I put a little bit spring onion on top to make nice color. Wow, ready. This is fried fish with mango salad, ready to serve. I hope you guys enjoy my meal. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe and click like for me. Gonna be very nice for you. Thank you so much. So see you next time. Bye.